So I was wondering about the story of Leah Imeinu and Rachel Imeinu, how Leah with her tears and praying achieved great things, like being the mother of half of the 12 tribes. And from her came Yehuda and Levi and Leviim and so on, Moshe Rabbeinu, Aaron. So I was wondering, are prayers actually more powerful than a good Mazal?
Again, our prayers more powerful than what?
Than a good Mazal.
Absolutely,
like the one
that, this Mazal. Okay, so our prayers that would change the situation. So Teshuvah, of course, can change the situation. One of the things that change the situation, our prayer, it's tearful prayer, like from the bottom of the heart. So Hashem said, the broken person, I also always going to hear. And also just say today, when the Beis Hamikdash is destroyed, the gates of the prayer, they're shut, right? So where the gates of the prayer in the Yerushalayim, right? In the Beis Hamikdash. But the gates of the tears, they're always open. Right? They're always open. So meaning if a person is going to cry, and it maybe not even cry, but do something like from the bottom of the heart. So Hashem is going to listen to that person. So the famous question is asked, okay, so you say gates, right? So if it's always open, so why do you need the gates at all? And good question, no? So if it's always open, so just do a portal, no gates necessary. So I explain, no. Some people would cry with the foolish tears. They need some stupid things that actually be disadvantage to them, disastrous for them. You understand? So that's why when these gates, sometimes they're closed. But if a person is praying for something spiritual, right, they would be open. So don't count on this Mazal stuff. Count on your prayer, so being sincere. So on Hashem, know that only He can help, and take it from there.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.